If you think the fasting is not for you, think again. Most people who tried intermittent fasting never experience what it can really do for them. A lot of people are stuck with their health and their bodies because they are trying too difficult, overcomplicated strategies. When you have one of the most powerful tools, that is also one of the easiest to bring all the potential that your body can have. Intermittent fasting is often used as a restrictive practice to lose weight, but actually is a practice of integrating and transforming body and mind. And you can go so much deeper. Beyond Fasting takes this practice to the next level. It is structured into 4 weeks. Week 1 is the inner and outer transformation. You learn all the basic physiological parts of intermittent fasting, but also the psychology. So you can turn this practice into something that matches your own goals and principles. Then on week 2, you learn how to eliminate hunger. Mindfulness and physiological tools that make you learn. On week 3, you go to the kitchen and we put success on autopilot. Now we are focusing on what happens in the meals that you are having while you are eating to feel your own unique goals. And on week 4, you are learning edge cases, how to keep our practice when you are traveling, when you are in holiday, and how to apply advanced techniques to go to the next level of your fasting practice. So Beyond Fasting is a quest that helps you master this practice in a way that is sustainable. It can become a lifestyle practice. My name is Ronan, and I'm inviting you to join me in my Mind Valley quest to transform your body and mind through intermittent fasting.